Chapter 1. Introduction. Rising above, following the crowd. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. We've all heard this saying, and in the crypto world, it's the formula for spectacular wealth or devastating disaster. Following a single project can feel exciting, but it's not an investment strategy. It's gambling. So, how do you move from being a gambler to a strategic investor? The answer lies in one of the most important yet most misunderstood words in finance: diversification. And no, it doesn't just mean buying 10 different meme coins. Welcome back to Hyra Deep Dive. In today's masterclass, we will step into the world of professional portfolio management. We operate from a position of strong belief in Hyra's long-term potential, but we also respect market volatility. This video will provide you with a professional framework to build a resilient crypto portfolio, diversified with Hyra as the core holding. Important disclaimer. Before we begin, it's important to state clearly that this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. You should always do your own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Now, let's build a professional portfolio. Chapter 2. Core Satellite Strategy, a professional framework. Professional portfolio managers don't just buy assets randomly. They use structured frameworks. One of the most effective and easy-to-understand strategies is the Core Satellite Strategy. Part 1. Core, your highest conviction. The core of your portfolio is your largest holding, the asset you have the most conviction in for the long term. For the purpose of this discussion, our core holding is Hyra. This position should make up a significant portion of your crypto portfolio. For example, 40% to 60%. It is your main bet on a specific story. In this case, the convergence of AI technology, DePIN, and Layer 3. Your core is the anchor for your strategy. Part 2. Satellites, your strategic additions. Satellites are smaller positions in other assets orbiting around your core holding. Their purpose is twofold: to enhance your returns by capturing growth in other areas, and to reduce overall risk by diversifying your exposure. If your core, Hyra, has a bad month, your satellites might have a good month, smoothing out portfolio performance. Conversely, if the entire AI story that Hyra is part of explodes, your complementary satellites will also perform well, amplifying your gains.